Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to show you the top 5 most popular malls at Orchard Road. Whether you're a local or a tourist, these malls are always buzzing with life and have something special for everyone. So let's jump in. Number 5, Wisma Atria. Wisma Atria is a mall known for its diverse mix of shopping, dining, and entertainment. It's home to some well-loved brands like Zara, Uniqlo, and the Japanese department store Tissot, which is a must-visit for affordable yet quirky items. The food court at level 4 is also another highlight, offering a variety of local dishes like chicken rice, laksa, and dim sum. The food hall at basement 1 is also a popular place to be. Number 4, Plaza Singapura. Plaza Singapura is a family-friendly mall located above Dhoby Ghaut MRT with a wide variety of stores that cater to all ages. You'll find popular brands like H&M, Cotton On, as well as the popular Golden Village Cinema, which is popular amongst youngsters. And if you're hungry, there's a huge food hall occupying basement 1-2. Number 3, Ngee Ann City, also known as Takashimaya by the locals. It is a major landmark on Orchard Road. The Takashimaya food hall at basement 2 is a must-go-to spot if you are ever at Orchard. Besides the food hall, Takashimaya has a massive department store which offers everything from high-end fashion to unique home goods. In short, it is suitable for everyone of various incomes. Number 2, 313, Somerset Plus Orchard Central. If you're looking for a great mix of shopping, dining, and entertainment, then 313 Somerset and Orchard Central should be on your radar. 313. Somerset has a wide selection of trendy clothing brands, perfect for the fashion-forward crowd, while Orchard Central right next door offers a more unique vibe. Orchard Central is known for its more artistic, edgy vibe, with loads of independent stores and local designers. Plus, it's got a rooftop garden that's great for a quick break or a photo opportunity. If you're into cool, Instagram-worthy spots, you'll love this place. Before we announce our number 1, don't forget to subscribe to my channel or click on the like button below. Number 1, Ion Orchard. This is undoubtedly one of the most iconic malls on Orchard Road. It's a blend of high-end luxury and cutting-edge design. If you're looking for top designer brands, this is the place to be. Think Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, you name it. This is usually the mall visited by celebrities from all around the world besides Marina Bay Sands. Even celebrities like Eric Chu, Sanawin Medawin were at Ion in February 2025. Alright guys, that's it for today's list of the top 5 malls on Orchard Road. Let me know in the comments which mall is your favorite. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this. See you next time on the next adventure.